Matinding pagsasanay ang kasalukuyang isinasagawa ng National Futsal Team sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum sa gabay ng Iranian coach na si Esmail Seri bilang paghahanda sa mga upcoming international football events. Kabilang na ang November Southeast Asian Games sa bansang Indonesia.
Our team, both team, men's and women's national teams, practicing 3 times a week, okay? And we are really working on tactic and their technique. So, of course, right now we are in a stage of preparation, but we are hoping before the tournament we will have tune-up games, international tune-up game for the team, so that our team get ready and well prepared for the tournament. I would like to invite everybody to watch Philippine Futsal League every Sunday live in Rizal Memorial.
Ang men's futsal team na kasalukuyang 4th rank sa Southeast Asia ay lalong kinakikitaan ng malaking improvement. Kaya naman nakakasiguro ang bansa ng isang competitive team sa international tournament. Bukod pa rito ay may mga malalaro pang gustong mag-tryout sa team, tulad na lamang ng dalawang Ascals players na sina Jason De Jong at Phil Irania na si Misag Bahadoran.
We have a stronger chance in futsal than in football because we came as far as rank 13 last 2007 and consistently we've been winning tournaments abroad. We are halfway through the preparation already. Many players aren't around yet. There are still players coming from the Visayas region as well as Mindanao. And there are also a few ASCAL players who are going to try out for this team.
I think the team is getting stronger, and some of the players from the national team for ASCAL, they're also including the team. So I think the team gonna be stronger for the AFC game.
Samantala, magandang development rin sa Philippine sports ang pagkakaroon ng newly formed National Women's Futsal Team na bagamat halos 5 buwan pa lamang ay maayos na ang chemistry ng grupo.
2007, nag-bronze medal kami sa Thailand. So yun yung unang-unang medal ng Philippine Futsal. So after nun, nawala. So 2009, meron sana sasali sana ng SEA Games uli, kaya lang nagkaroon ng problema, so hindi na tuloy. Ito na-push through itong 2011 with Coach Essie. Mas maganda ngayon yung preparation namin kasi may support from PSC. Totally buong team maglalaro ng 110% para manalo sa international tournament.
The tryouts, mga March 2011. And then nabuo yung team talaga mga May na 2011, and then we played sa national games, yung first national games sa Bacolod. We won the championship. Some of us are really futsal players, some came from football. Hopefully the support of everyone, with their prayers and with your support, everyone in the Philippines, I hope sana mabigyan din kami ng chance to prove ourselves. We're gonna be doing our best when we go out and represent the Philippines outside.
Sa nakikita nating pagsisikap ng mga national futsal players, ay hindi malayo makapag-uwi ng karangalan ng mga ito sa bansa sa hinaharap. Magkasamang dumating ng bansa sina Mexican legendary boxer Juan Manuel Marquez at top-rank big boss na si Bob Arum para sa nakatakdang World Press Tour kick-off ng Pacquiao-Marquez title showdown. Tuwang-tuwa ang tinaguri ang dinamita ng Mexico sa muling pagtungtong sa Pilipinas, kung saan nagpahayag ng kahandaan sa upcoming title fight laban sa world's best pound-for-pound boxer na si Manny Pacquiao.
This is fight the strongest, the most important fight for my career. I feel very happy for being here. It's my second time. I training very hard, like a warrior, and I waiting for November 12th.
Ayon naman kay Bob Arum, ang Pilipinas ang nababagay para simulan ng promotional tour dahil ito ang hometown ni Manny Pacquiao na kinikilalang pinakamahusay na boxer ngayon sa buong mundo.
Manny Pacquiao is the greatest fighter in the world, and he comes from the Philippines. This is a worldwide event, and it's appropriate that we visit the countries of both of the fighters. There are going to be great press conferences, and it shows the worldwide nature of this event.
Sa pagdating sa bansa ng top-ranked big boss na si Bob Arum at ang Mexican counter-puncher na si Juan Manuel Marquez, ay lalong naging kaabang-abang ang Pacquiao-Marquez boxing trilogy. Ramty para sa Sports 37 Update.